Hello and welcome to another Soulframe video where I'm going to be showing you how to farm in Soulframe. Let me show you real quick what I mean by farming. You have levels to your pact, to your account. The account level will be like the global account level. The pact is like your skin, which can level up and you can unlock these points. You see here it says bond 30 or rank 30. You can also level up your weapons, which also have a rank, you see? And you can level up all the weapons that you can, as long as you have slots left, to 30, right? So what you want is to not get stuck having something equipped that is on rank 30, because then you're not getting experience for that thing, right? And you can get from the same battles experience at the same time for your main weapon, for your sidearm, and for your pact. And any of those that you rank up is gonna contribute to ranking up the level of your overall account, okay? So what you want to do is equip something that is not rank 30. In my case, I don't have another pact. I have already the three pacts that I own. I have them rank 30, so I cannot level up the pacts anymore until I craft another one. But I have a new weapon and I'm heading over to this area of the map, which is the top right corner of the map, which has a lot of monsters that are strong enough to give a lot of experience. They are really good level. So you wanna grind over here while you're doing the faction missions that spawn randomly around you as you spend time in the area. They say that in a future update these are gonna be linked to the world trees, but anyways, you go and speak to these NPCs that will give you missions. While you're doing the missions, you're killing monsters and you're getting faction points, while you're also getting experience. They look like this, they change depending on which faction you are, and you just talk to them, accept the mission, and your guide is gonna just tell you where to go. But basically you want to kill monsters on this area. Those are gonna be high level and those are gonna give you a lot of experience. Here you're gonna also get fragments and loot. You see I ranked up my weapon real quick, so you can see what I mean by leveling up fast. This is the best area of the map to farm right now, spending time over here and gathering resources. And I will also show you in another video how to farm for fragments for items, which is like the recipes that you need to be able to craft items. So if you want that, also head over to my channel and search through the playlist, the Soulframe Guides playlist. I'm gonna link it up here for you to have it easily accessible. So if you found any of this helpful, guys, please consider subscribing and leaving a silly comment below for the algorithm. It really helps me out. Have fun playing Soulframe and see you until next time.